wondered about a Skoda versus another Skoda, but a new one versus another one? Well, here is, guys, a brand new 2019 Skoda Superb versus a 2000 Skoda Octavia. Let's see, guys. Quick thing, do you predict that the new car will obliterate the old car, or inverse, or both will be obliterated, or both will be beautiful? Nice. Well, we will test it at high speed, then just at 40 miles per hour. No, actually, let's just test at 40 miles per hour. Let's see. Okay, this is nice, being driven by some dummies. That means remote control. They don't even know they cannot drive the things, the items. Okay, at 40 miles per hour, would you predict that it will smash and obliterate, or do you think at the high speed one? I think at the high speed one will make sense, but if it does on this one, I'm not sure how, because there's only just going 40 miles per hour. Or 41 or lower. No, lower does not count. Well, guys, here it is. Yeah, isn't bad. At 40 miles per hour, it's only this thing. Just for getting starting, please, no airbags deployed. For what reason? Everybody's alright. But however, let's test it at higher speed. Why not, Hope? Yeah, why not show us test at higher speed? Okay, 6, the last one. Cannot go after. Okay, going 80 miles per hour. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Bye bye, Skodas. You will be missed. That was harsh. Oh, the car also died, this one. But the motor's still alright. The guy just died for some reason. Oh, I think it's because it's manual. Okay. The new Skoda did this to the old one. I mean, yes. But you'll need to see, however, which one is more obliterated. Which one is more obliterated? Which one is more worse? Because it cannot. Hopefully, it won't be the new one, or else it got from beautiful and strong and nice and safe to horrible. But hopefully, it's the old one, because I have a new one. New ones should be performing better. So on the old ones to be like that, not the new ones. Even they're kind of cute, it's more cuter now. Okay, come on, Skoda. Thank you. Now, guys, as we inspect, this car is dying because the motor is charging. It's automatic, however. It seems to be damaged a lot. However, it ain't that bad for this one. But however, it looks horrible for the people. But there is survival on this one. But the roof is bended. just one thing that I don't like. But however, the airbags in deploy, but that ain't a big deal. That ain't a big deal at all. See? The car's good. I mean, the roof is bent. The people may be injured in all of the cars, especially the passenger of this car. No, the people in these cars are dead. And the old Skoders, everybody is dead. However, on the new Skoda, injured but still alive. Let's swap that Skoda with a Bollard. Can the new one handle it? I don't know. Because then, versus the Bollard, lots of different cars. Just 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3. Okay, let's go. If you're driving a car, do not miss this. The car was obliterated. The wheels were like cheeks kissing together, and they wrapped around the car. It made it even worse when we got the Bollard down. The motor popped out. That actually still counted. The motor just popped out. However, the screen, the window was shattered. Shattered, I said. Look at all of that. Look at all of that damage. It is too big. We look inside, not even thinking about a chance of survival. It just obliterated. No cars can survive this. None. No. No cars can be a survivor of this whole accident. Known. Some of the person. Though the result was so big to damage the back of the car. Wow. Well, the person didn't do that, however. Turned this 5-star car into a no-star car. But it's still a 5-star car. Now it's bus time. Oh dear me. Let's definitely drive. We are in the buses, or the drivers of buses. If you're a driver of a bus, do not forget to you have to watch this. Do not skip. The bus smashes straight into a Bollard. When everything seems going to go good, it doesn't go good. Well, I mean, the bus is going slow, but that's not it. It does crash. Even if it's not high speed as you'd expect, it's still smashed. It needs a lot to be smashed. A lot more longer. It's not that long. But 40 miles per hour, or 50 or 60 is okay. But 100 if it wants somehow. That would be good for our testing, but still good like this. Predict what will happen. 59, 60 miles per hour. Whoa! No, we did it incorrect. We did it incorrect. Oh dear me. The bus is coming. The Bollard knows that from far away. It's rising up. Okay, now 3, 2, 1. Wait a second, the dummies aren't so good. Okay. What do you predict will happen, guys? Comment down below. Everybody inside, get ready for some big damage. The damage was extensive. It was even doing a gigantic, very loud noise as we opened the doors, which was very hard to open since how compressed the bus was. There, everything horrible started to happen. I can't even fit. That was an horrible thing that was. The bus itself, the Bollard was legit inside the bus. The windshield was extended. It is super rare so that there can be at least some survivors at the back. But as we inspect, everybody in the bus is dead. As we lowered the Bollard down, hopefully everything gets destroyed. But the annoying noise is gone. Now, what we have to do is just get the bus out. We grab it from the tires, and that's where everything horrible happens. But it was hard at first to do that. Because we had to move the whole wreckage backwards. But however, it was hard to move the wreckage. It was just hard. We tried and tried. And, well, let's see what happens. Because we pulled enough strength, but that didn't really do anything. Something must have been stopping it, but nothing was stopping us from lunging it backwards. It may have been from how the bus is like, or the dummies floating back. But I know that is a no. What was, however, was this. The doors and stuff like that. But however, we still couldn't move it. We didn't even know what was preventing it from being moved. We decided to explore here. As we can see, there's a big hole, making us, the fact about it, we can legit enter, we can actually enter. The shattered window is like too shattered. The Bollard made a hole through the bus, making it ripped in two. The front passengers, not even a single % of aliveness. I mean, something here, like how this unlucky person was. See, if somebody was standing here, which wasn't, the Bollard, so like there, the Bollard pushed the person already been stuck. And there's like outer thing. Now here was there's all this mess, you know, here. The driver's seat area. Now that's the horriblest thing. It was a miracle for him to be alive. Even if there's a big fat hole here, for him, ready to escape, he would have been stuck. And if he did get out, there's no way of being okay, just dead. Well, if he was to be okay, well, the shears of glass in the body ain't good. But don't even recognize that the driver even is there anymore. Look like it's being like gone. No, guys. That's a no, guys. Everything tucked in. Look at the smart TV board. What has been programmed? Look at that. Look at that. Bro, look at that TV, guys. Look how it just tucked like up. It tucked up. How the windshield forced like everything just to look like be in the air. The emergency hatch is useless if somebody was alive right here. It doesn't open. The doors would have been stuck closed and they had to smash. But if they were injured, no, they couldn't. They had to be stuck in there. You may think, where did the driver gone? Is he not okay by teleporting? No. You see all this mess here? The mess. So as you can see how the bus ripped in two. The fact about the bus ripping in two pieces, like how it is now. One slice here. Where the wheel is ripped, and one other slice where the driver is. Maybe asking where the denominator and stuff is. It's just missing. You know what it is, guys? All the way over here. Yes, guys. Just obliterated. But little kids may think, yes, but it's not ripped in two. The bus has to be like two things. Well, sorry, kids, you're not correct. Even if I'm around this, like I don't know, younger than 9. As we can see, for the reason why I say it ripped in two, because it actually is. Because look at this side. And look at this side. There's a big hole here. If it's not ripped in two, well, how can this happen then? Because this is the front, looking at the front. I shall see this crash. Minus 62 stars. I just see it mostly by the bus ripped in two. It's time to test an old car. Not this beautiful thing. Well, I don't care. Let's see. Let's see a couple are driving their car. Their old car. They're driving it nicely. Nicely. However, predict what will happen, guys. And yes. And if you're driving an old car, do not miss this. Yeah, do not miss this if you're driving an old car. Even if it's in a game. This game will come to reality if you don't trust me. And oh, you don't want to die, don't you? this happened. Nice couple driving the car. Old man's probably has all of this guy thing, not really. However, the car got obliterated fully. There is no chance of survival. Inspect this damage. We are going to load the Bollard. Now, lower yourself. Don't care if it can damage the car. Doesn't matter. But however, the pieces must be gone. Because the Bollard never gets. Unless if the most strongest thing is stronger than the Bollard, obliterates it. Now, as we inspect, this is going to be shorter. No airbags. Okay, and that's it. Yeah. Last one. A truck. It's truck time. This truck, person with the inside, is about to be obliterated. If you drive a truck, do not miss this. And also, predict what will happen. Will the truck be obliterated or the Bollard or both? Let's see. Comment down below and pause the video and comment down below and then watch. Oh no. And it goes. That is the noise of the truck dying. It's dead. The Bollard is good. No damage at all. It's the Bollard. Done to the Bollard. The truck, this can happen though. This horrible thing can happen. It's the truck's cabin. What's the truck's cockpit? What the? So guys, thank you for watching and that's it.